Bird pepper look like a Christmas tree. Hi there, nutritious family. Welcome back to my channel, and I hope that you're doing well. In this herbal plant series, it's time to feature bird pepper. Popularly known Jamaican herbal plant, bird pepper is a powerful herb for sustaining body functions. The bird pepper plant is a small woody tree with green leaves, producing small berry-like peppers with colors ranging from yellows, greens, oranges, and bright reds. Other names for the bird pepper are chili, Thai chili, some call it cayenne, popularly known also as bird's eye chili. The bird pepper is known as a bird pepper because birds tend to eat them a lot when they are ripe. And this is the main way that the plant gets spread. Because when birds eat them, they carry the seeds along with them and drop them across the land. So although these small peppers are only a little over a centimeter in length, they pack in them a lot of heat and ranks in the top 10 hottest peppers in the world. Okay? So let me tell you a little bit of the health benefits of bird pepper. Bird pepper increases your appetite. It controls cholesterol levels in your body. Bird pepper helps to raise body temperature. Bird pepper eases arthritis pain. Can be used as a blood thinner. In these times, we're hearing that many people are passing away through respiratory illnesses, that blood clots are a contributing factor in, right? Blood clots in the lungs preventing proper respiration. So when you hear that bird pepper can be used as a blood thinner, right? It's supposed to make your alert go off. You're like, whoa. So I'm not really telling you to go ahead and use it to thin your blood just like that. Please do consult your local herbalist for more advice, or your ancestors. Who knows who you consult? Who is your go-to consultant before taking your herbs, right? Alright, so bird pepper also improves digestion. Okay? Keep your intestinal systems free, reduces acid reflux, stuff like that. Bird pepper improves circulation. An infusion of the bird pepper, meaning combining the bird pepper, whether it is dried, fresh, or powdered, along with water, helps to cleanse the blood, removing excess fat. And this also helps to boost the immune system by removing damaged cells and pathogens from the body. When damaged cells remain in the body, they tend to affect other cells, like one bad apple spoiled the whole bunch, right? So bird pepper helps to eradicate those damaged cells, preventing them from spreading. So therefore, bird pepper is also beneficial in healing cancer. An external application of bird pepper helps to relieve pain and heal wounds. Wounds that are festering, even that seems not to want to heal, bird pepper works magic with, because an external application tends to draw blood to the area. It is a very stimulant herbal plant, or herb, So it draws blood to the area, stimulating circulation, and once blood is flowing, it promotes healing. Bird pepper is a powerful medicinal herb, and excessive use may result in unwanted harm to the body, to the internal organs, and the external tissues. So be careful. Always consult those that have more information than you, right? You're like your herbalists that have been studying for a while. As children, we used to swallow bird peppers looking at the adults doing it. Like you take it like a tablet, swallow it with water. That's what I saw my parents do, and so as children we used to do it. And in my experience, I recall no harm that I know of, really, honestly. So that is all I have for you on the wonderful, amazing health benefits of this popular plant known in Jamaica popularly as bird pepper. So the next time you come across this plant, be sure to view it with fresh eyes and to see, like, to appreciate its wonderful, its powerful benefits, even in its beauty. Even in its beauty, how beautiful the bird pepper tree is, right? Thank you so much for listening to me. And until next time, eat well, walk good. Much love to you. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright.
I guess we saw the adults
singing, don't worry about a thing.
With the immune system as well. So this is bird pepper.